Remember the days of no inventory? Well, no more at Blackstock Ford. We are loaded up. We made a special buy of the 2024 Mustang GT. Now, there's an EcoBoost. We slipped in one of those, but the rest of them are all GTs, and almost all of them have the Ford Performance Package with active exhaust. What a great performance car. We have them in the base coupe, the premium coupe, 301A, 401A. We have 6-speed manuals. We have 10-speed automatics. Just a great selection while they last. Of course, the spring market is here now, so they won't be here forever. They do sell fast, as you can tell. Quite a few of them have already been sold. So hit us up at blackstockford.com. All of our Mustangs are on sale right now. Check out the interior options, the exterior options we have, and of course, we are the Ford guys that customize. We got some really cool new features coming up, and the 800 horsepower Superchargers are on their way. Check out blackstockford.com if you're in the market for a thrilling performance Mustang.